What could this gym have that makes people want to travel all the way to Bali and pay 7 times more than what local gyms are charging just to train here? Consider this your warning, because once you see the full tour, I can bet money on it that you'll probably start searching for your flights to Bali too. And especially when I tell you the price. Because yes, while it's higher than your other gyms in Bali when you compare it to luxury gyms in the market like Equinox, Lifetime, and Virgin Active, this one hands down would put all of those out of business. This isn't just a gym, it's a full-on wellness experience. The kind of place that people don't just train at, they become obsessed with. And once you're in, you never want to leave. And everyone else wants in. Good morning. Let's start with the indoor gym, a 2-floor space filled with all the equipment, weights, and racks that you could ever need, and an open floor space in the middle where Sunday to Sunday you can expect to find mobility, acro yoga, handstands, and stretch classes. I ended up spending 2 months in Bali, so I got a chance to tour a lot of the most popular gyms. And because Bali has become such a wellness and entrepreneurship hub, you can pretty much find spaces very similar to what we just saw on every corner for $50 or maybe even less. However, the moment you step out of the indoor gym towards the clubhouse is when you start to realize, oh, it's not just a regular gym. A lot of what you have inside is duplicated outside in the backyard space. Racks, weights, cardio equipment, where group conditioning, lifting, and strength classes are held every morning and every afternoon. I love signing up for different classes, especially when I'm traveling, because it's a great way to meet new people. And if you're like me, you know that gyms usually have 1 to 2 classes that you can pick from. Not here. Here, there's about 5 classes going on at all times, all in different areas. You can pick from yoga and breath work, all the way to side splits and weightlifting. And after you train, you can head over to the first recovery area with saunas, steam rooms, cold plunges, hot tubs, and a cafe serving fresh smoothies and bowls for whenever you need a refuel. Out of all the 100+ classes that are offered every week, I finally woke up early enough to try this one on Sunday, and now it's my favorite. I have to go, I'm late for class. The class starts off with breath work, then you go in the water to practice controlling your breath as long as possible, and then crossing the pool underneath with a weighted ball. So we just finished the CO2 immersion class, and it was the wildest thing. I didn't know what I was getting myself into, but Ale has tried it before. So what do you want to say?
Not very often. I'm not very constant student, but I really like. I try with Kimi. That's the teacher's name, and she's amazing. Like, I really like her. She's very professional.
One of the main things that sets this gym apart from all the others is the access and lounging area. So by the pool, there are tons of chairs and cabanas, which are available on a first come, first served basis. And the next best thing, the kitchen. By the pool area, you'll find the clubhouse kitchen, where you can order breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and any kind of cafe drink. But hands down, what makes this gym incomparable is the build your own meals and drinks. Pretty much they have any protein, veggie, carb, sauce, and anything you can think of, all sourced from the highest quality with clean oil, so that you can build anything you want to eat.
Lunchtime. So today I'm gonna try the picanha. Well, I always get this picanha, lentils, and then sweet potato fries.
Same thing goes for smoothies and coffees. You can add supplements, powders, or any vitamin. Very biohacking focused, which is something that I am truly passionate about. And it doesn't stop there. There's a second recovery area with an even bigger sauna with, again, cold plunge and hot tub to do contrast therapy. But those are things you can find at most luxury gyms. What the owners did differently here in Bali is this. Every space, every lounging area, every desk, not only can you order food at the press of a button, but you can actually work anywhere on the property. Most gyms don't allow laptops or work sessions. It's understandable. But here, they studied their audience. They listened and they said, if you want workspaces, we'll give you workspaces. They even went an extra mile and added a fully air-conditioned co-working space upstairs, private call rooms you can book, and dedicated workspaces. So this is where I've been eating, training, and working, and it feels like paradise. It's so much more than a gym. It's an entire experience, and so much so that if you went around and asked, 99% of the members would say that they'd happily continue to pay the premiums, not just because of the features and the cool spaces that you just saw, but because of this extra added bonus, the community. Nirvana has found a way to curate an audience attracting a very like-minded crowd where the community aspect is just insane from the moment you step in. Everyone you meet here talks about it. It's a huge reason why I ended up extending my time in Bali to 2 months. And also the reason why a lot of high performers, entrepreneurs, biohackers, and fitness lovers are traveling all the way to Bali just to come experience it for themselves. A full month at Nirvana with unlimited classes, recovery, and extra discounts at the cafe and spa comes out to just $214 a month. I don't know about you, but I sure hope that other gyms start realizing that this is what the future of wellness should look like. And when you book your flight to Bali to check out Nirvana, send me a DM on Instagram saying, I'm on my way to Bali, and I'll send you the Bali guide with all the rest of my favorite spots for you to check out.